what I made. Peanut butter cheesecake bars. Let me show you how I made these. So I started with 1 cup of my Smucker's Natural Creamy Peanut Butter, 4 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 1 stick of my Kerrygold's unsalted butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I used 1/2 cup of powdered monk fruit sweetener, and you can sweeten to taste. Mix until smooth, just like this. I then melted about 1.5 cups of my Lily's chocolate chips. I do recommend using molds if you have them, but I only had a baking dish. Let this harden in the fridge for just a couple of minutes. I then added on my peanut butter cream cheese mixture, and I then sprinkled some crushed Lily's chocolate chips on top. I put this in the fridge overnight. I cut them out and they came out so good. I need to make some more desserts. Put this on your list. Comment down below what desserts you want to see. Like, comment, share, and please follow for more.